Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng pagbibigay ng advice sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino na litong-lito na sa buhay natin. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Sabi nung thread starter dito sa Reddit, my boyfriend did it himself and I felt betrayed. Hello? What advice can you give to a person who felt betrayed by their partner, boyfriend, girlfriend? And di na masyado nakikipag-make love yung boyfriend ko. Like, we rarely do it in month na. Well, marami pa naman tayong hindi alam doon sa relasyon nila. But we are going to make assumptions just for the sake of argument. I asked him to have it done that evening but he declines. Paano ba minsan nag-a-ask ang mga partners natin when they actually want to make love? Kung dati kasi very spontaneous yung pagyayaya natin, like kailangan muna natin silang i-tease, kailangan muna natin silang patawanin, i-date, so on and so forth. Later in the relationship kasi, nagiging transactional yung pagyayaya ng mga couple or partner when it comes to lovemaking. After an hour, I caught him doing it on his own beside me. I felt betrayed. What do you think will be my open up starter to him kasi hindi ko alam to ask and what to do at this moment of right? Ito yung magiging advice ko on how to open up these kinds of bottled up emotions sa partner mo. Unang-una, i-run mo muna sa isip mo kung paano yung argumento na gusto mong sabihin sa kanya. Like, pwede kang mag-practice sa salamin, pwede mong isulat, para at least magkaroon ka ng idea kung ano yung magiging tunog niya or possible tunog, possible words na magamit mo para at least hindi ka masyadong emotional when you are actually trying to talk about yung incident na yon. And then of course, kailangan mo din maging pasensyoso kasi hindi magiging madali yung pag-uusap nyo na yon because it will involve a very private part of your partner na kung saan hindi niya rin mai-open up sa inyo, kaya nga nahuhuli mo siya ng patago. Napaka-importante ng pagiging mahinahon sa parte ng ganitong klaseng usapan kasi nga pinipigilan nito na parusahan yung taong magsasabi ng totoo tungkol sa sarili nila kahit na gaano pa ito ka-awkward para sa kanila. And do not high road your partner on this one. Kasi there will come a time na baka ikaw yung mapunta sa sitwasyon niya na kailangan mong magtago para lang ma-relieve mo yung sarili mo into some emotions that are actually pent up or bottled up inside. And be okay to be vulnerable with your partner. Like, sabihin mo na nag-worry ka or nasasaktan ka doon sa na-experience mo na yon para at least at some point makagawa kayo ng compromise na kung saan both entity doon sa relationship would benefit doon sa pag-uusap na ginawa nyo. Malay nyo naman, may iba lang na trip yung partner nyo na kung saan pwede nyo silang i-turn on by doing different kinds of things. Pwede nyo pag-usapan yun. Pwede kayong mag-costume, pwede kayong mag-cosplay, di ba? Yung mga ganong klaseng bagay. So, thank you for watching this episode. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.